Hello, Happy New Year to you all. Welcome to 2019. It's great, isn't it? It's nice. It's way better than 2018. I can just sense it. I can feel it right now. I just wanted to say thank you very much to all the people that have subscribed this year, all those that have stuck with me from the very start. I do appreciate it. I know I keep telling you that. I know you understand that all the same, but it needs to be said. Thank you very much for subscribing. We're on nearly 3,000 now. Don't know why I'm not with that. Imagine what it'll sound like when I've got 5,000 or 10,000. Be like a dog whistle. I hope you had a fantastic Christmas. I hope you got all the gifts that you were expecting or wanting. If you're not into gifts, I hope you just got a load of love instead. I know I got loads and loads of love and loads of gifts as well. This was my favourite, one of my favourites. Thank you to the person who got me this, Mum. It's got massive big words in it, big words, and it's got pictures. Again, very good for me. And it just means that I can read the whole book like this. Oh yeah, oh, cracking. If you're running too rich, I don't stop doing what I'm doing. I just weaken the mixture and carry on. I don't actually work on his payroll. Just got to put that out there. But I didn't make this video to express my undying love for Guy Martin. I made it to explain what you can expect from Rarefied Road for 2019. So I can tell you the reviews and comparisons will continue. It is obviously what started the channel, and it is something that I still very much enjoy doing. So I'll be getting out on two wheels as and when I possibly can. I can't tell you specifically what bikes those will be. Unfortunately, they just sort of crop up when the opportunity arises. I can tell you the quality will improve because I have some new toys, so the audio and visual should get a little bit better. And I can tell you that I've been invited back up towards the Chester area by Ben Wiley to test the Motomorini Milano. For anyone unfamiliar, it is essentially the retro skin that they've attached to the Casaro ZZ. There are some other changes, but by and large, it looks different. It's got the same engine, so should retain a lot of the same character as well. And based on how much I enjoyed taking out the Casaro, I'm very much looking forward to taking out the Milano as well. Outside of that, I can't necessarily give you any specifics, other than the fact that I am genuinely looking to buy a bike for myself this year, in the early part of this year. So the first few reviews that I do will actually be from a standpoint of wanting maybe to purchase them, and we'll see how that turns out after the fact, you know, which one I end up with, if any of them at all. Beyond that, we actually have our CAF Racer project, that BMW R100 RT, which we started almost a lifetime ago. Genuinely, I think we're about 2 years into the project now. Last time we saw it, it was actually just an engine on a table. We have improved since then, it's just that I haven't checked back in with the project. It is now a tank and a frame and wheels and an engine, and they are all around somewhere. It's just a case of actually putting the thing back together, like Meccano. I'll also be taking a few trips, big and small. That is essentially a large part of why I started the channel anyway. It was about exploration. I really want to get out there and start riding my wheels a little bit further afield. You'll also see my website in the description. If you want to go and check that out, feel free. It is a bit of a skeleton at the moment, but I will be updating that over the next few months. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you'll get a bit of a heads up as to the bikes that I'm testing, because of course I take pictures of them on the day. So you can go on there and check out the bikes that I'm going to be putting up reviews of. You can see some of the trips that I'll be doing as well. And you will also see me getting my money's worth out of my weekend job at the bike shed, where unsurprisingly they have many pretty beautiful things to take pictures of. And I really do take a lot of pictures from there. Obviously they've got their own Instagram, so you can feel free to follow them at that, or their own YouTube channel, which will probably be in the description of this somewhere. Not that they need the likes of me promoting it, they're doing very well on their own. And if you're passing by Shoreditch on a Sunday, then feel free to stop in and say hi, because you'll probably find me there. Once again guys, thank you very much for subscribing, thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Ta-ra. Yeah. Pretty happy with that. It was a nice little sell merch plug now, that's pretty good. Don't think anyone noticed. Oh, it's surprisingly comfortable. Good quality stitch.